All right, everybody, it's been a minute. I do have on clothes. Ouch, hit my foot. It's been a minute since I've done a video, but I don't know, we're in the quarantine, so I was like, hey, I might as well try to at least do a video. But the reason why I don't really do a lot of YouTube videos, because basically I don't change my hair. I don't do anything with my hair, you know, like different styles like most people do. So I didn't think it would be interesting to anyone, but here's my hair, guys. I had a retighten last Saturday. Oh, it's a little tangled, a little dry. I haven't spritz any water on it today, but it's growing, definitely getting long. Let me show you the gray. I haven't had any locks break off in a really long time. The only time I had some break off, and you can see the short ones here, I tried using a different shampoo, and I think it was just too soft. Or I think even one time I used some conditioner and it was just too soft for my hair, and it just kind of, over time, they just broke off, and I did lose some in the back. Let's see, I have like some new ones. This one may be just extra hair that started growing in. So sometimes if I have extra, you know, longer hair, or extra hair that grows in, she'll, my loctician, she'll start a new lock. But I hope everybody's doing well. I'm trying to think of some content. I need to start posting videos. I know you guys have been following me. You follow me on my Instagram, and I want to thank you for that. So leave in the comment, give me some, what kind of videos would you guys like to see? And all right, thank you for watching. Still loving the gray. I'm not gonna color my hair, but thank you. Bye.